Apple Airtags are a tool being used for scams, like multiple scams. And let's talk about it. So Apple launched Airtags in April of 2021. I only heard about it when I first saw this article about how people are using Apple Airtags for scams. And I saw another TikTok. So there are a few scams that people are running with this. And let's just watch this and understand what's going on. But before we get into that, don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, all the above. It really pushes this video out in the algorithm and encourages me to make more videos. This video is brought to you by mintedculture.com, my new website, mintedculture.com, where you can find out everything that I'm doing. Everything I'm doing, all my new videos. I post twice daily, 2 different videos from 2 of my different channels, the Kenim O Show and this channel, Brand Video Pro. I post there every single day. Also, you go to mintyculture.com and you can book a consultation with me, a one-on-one consultation, and we talk about Web3, the metaverse. We talk about filmmaking, documentary filmmaking, you name it. All of it is on there. Marketing your business, all that. So go book a one-on-one consultation with me. And yeah, just go check it out, mintyculture.com. Okay, let's keep going.
Police are alerting motorists to a new high-tech scam that's targeting vehicles. As Fox's Kurt Knutson reports, thieves are using technology such as Apple's Airtags to track and steal cars.
Yeah, introduced in the spring, Apple's tiny AirTag tracker that sells for just $29 is capable of tracking just about anything. That's why police are saying it's the latest tool being used to steal cars. Here's how the AirTag car theft scam works. Car crooks see a desirable car out and about at places like the mall, a restaurant, simply parked at a local store. They then attach one of these tiny trackers to your car by placing it near the gas cap, on trailer hitches, inside the trailer lights of an F-150, they've seen it, or by taping it under our bumper. Car crooks follow the car home on their screens to see where you live, then steal the car. Now, if you've got an Apple iPhone, you may get tipped off in time to do something about it. AirTags often send a warning to iPhones that they're being tracked. If you see one of these alert messages while driving, safely pull over into a populated yet quiet area. Follow the on-screen instructions to make the AirTag beep by selecting Play Sound. Hopefully you can find it. Apple then shows you how to disable the AirTag. Tips to keep from falling victim to this new high-tech car ripoff scheme. Park in a garage when possible. If you can't, block one car with another car, and then use good surveillance cams. You can get them for less than $40 at this point. And believe it or not, use an old-fashioned steering wheel lock like the Club that's visible, and they may move on from there. And believe it or not, you too, for $29, use 2 of these AirTags on your own. Use one as a decoy, like put it in your glove box, and the other one deeply hidden well inside your car. And then you might be able to track the thieves that stole the car. I'll show you how at the Cyber Guy blog at cyberguy.com. I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy for Fox News.
I wonder what Apple could do about this, because I guess there's not much they can do. They can't control how people use this. But they could figure out safety methods to prevent people from, or to allow people to disable them. So there's another one that I saw, and this is like human trafficking type of situation. This girl believes that somebody was tracking her. So let me check this out.
Okay, so I think I'm being tracked, and I'm going to tell you guys what's been happening to me since last night around 11:30 p.m. because the more I post about it, it seems like it's happening to a lot of people, and I don't know if I'm in danger or other people are in danger. So yeah, this is what's happening. Yesterday, I flew back from my home in Texas back to Maine to retrieve some of my belongings. And shortly after I landed in Massachusetts at Logan Airport, I got this notification on my phone. So it basically said an unknown accessory is detected near me, and that it was first seen with me at 8:45 in the morning when I was in Texas at Walmart on the other side of the country. Now there's an option for me to remove the device. When I do, it says this: find my unable to connect to the server, please try again later, meaning it won't let me disconnect the device. On the bottom, you can't really see it, but it says if you feel your safety is at risk due to this item, contact your local law enforcement. Basically, I'm gonna need the serial number of the device tracking me for them to shut it off anyway. Then I got this notification at 12:56 a.m. saying that the owner of whatever device is tracking me can see my location. Then again, I got this notification, and basically it just shows a red dot every time they physically checked my location, every time it was reloaded. At this point, I searched all of my belongings. Everything I traveled with was in my vehicle at the time when I was in Texas, and I can't find a tracker. So then people were telling me about this flaw with the AirPods, but the thing is, I do have AirPods, but they weren't with.
I'm trying to figure out a solution that Apple can do, but your iPhone should be able to block one of these trackers. It has to be an it has to be an AirTag, because it has like Find My, which is like Find My iPhone or Find My Apple. It's an Apple device.
Me at Walmart this morning when the tracker seemed to have started, so can't be that. So I shut off my location services and I shut off my Bluetooth services, and I thought that fixed the problem. But then I literally just got this notification saying that the owner can see my location again, and when I check it, the owner did just check my location again. Should I go to Apple or should I go to the police? Because I can't find this device. After I posted a little bit about this on my Instagram story, I had a friend call me, and he told me that his little sister had these exact same notifications come into her phone a couple weeks ago, and she ended up finding an Apple AirTag hidden under her license plate. So I don't know if this is the new sex trafficking method, but please look out for your loved ones, be extra careful, and search your belongings if you get these notifications.
I don't even know why Apple even created this thing, because like like this is like these things already exist, right? These things, like, what was it, Tile? I use Tile for my keys, and you never hear about people using Tile to track people, or maybe they do, and we only find out about it now because it's Apple, and Apple has a lot of press attached to it. Whatever the case is, Apple needs to do something about this. It's not acceptable. They need to have some sort of activation, deactivation thing. Like if I don't know. It's complicated. I don't know. They have to figure out some tech solution. If I wanted to track my car and someone stole my car, I wouldn't want them to be able to deactivate it with their iPhone, right? Unless there was some like system that I could use with my car to attach it to my car and let it be known that this is attached to my car. I don't know. It sounds really technical. It sounds really complicated. Whatever the case is, Apple needs to do something about this. And it's not Apple's fault. When you create a product, you don't know how the consumers are going to use it. It's not their fault. But this is very dangerous, very disturbing, and it's not good PR for Apple. So figure out a solution, because this is not cool. Anyway, those are my thoughts. Let me know your thoughts. Leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, all the above. My name is Kenim, and see you next time. A peace.